The backyard is the place to be once again this evening, John.
Yeah, just a picturesque scene here behind me looking down the valley. It is really clear out here tonight. Great view of our waxing crescent moon on the heels of what was a sterling day. We're in for another one tomorrow after we wake up with a bit of a chill in the air once again as you get your Thursday morning started. I want to show you what's doing down at Blue Mountain right now. Got some people out enjoying a little barbecue this evening. Saw them playing cornhole there on the bottom left side of your screen. You wonder who's winning. These are the things that go through my mind. Otherwise, just a really nice night there and really all across northeastern and central Pennsylvania. 68 degrees your temperature at this point, so not all that cool, at least not just yet, but that's going to be changing. Speaking of cool, check out this cool shot from the northern tier. Mark from up near Monroe in Bradford County sending in this shot of tonight's sunset. And a dandy one it was, so big thanks to Mark for sending that photo in. Temperatures are comfortable right now, a lot of 60s, low 60s as you get up into the elevations, mid 60s for a lot of our valleys. You get 59 right now in Penn Lake, 57 Lopez, 69 Williamsport, 71 Elysburg, 60 right now in Mansfield. Really not a lot showing up on the satellite nor the radar at this point. So we've got a nice quiet evening. Some valley fog forms again for us tonight. Will be cool. I think 40s for most of us, but as you get up higher in elevation, wouldn't be surprised if we find some upper 30s as we start off our Thursday morning. In fact, this is what it might look like where you live. You can see out by New Berlin, about 50, about the same in Beaver Springs, but check out Lake Harmony, Tobyhanna, low 40s, and some upper 30s up through some of the northern tier and the Endless Mountains, as well as some of our cold hollows and the Poconos too. So a cool one to be sure. But while it's nice and comfortable, and in about 20 minutes or so when it's a little bit darker, you'll have a great view of our waxing crescent moon near the super red giant star Antares. And it'll be just off to the right of that tonight, low in the southwestern horizon within the constellation Scorpius. Tomorrow, the moon, still waxing crescent, will just be on the other side of the constellation. So with these continued clear sky conditions, still some additional stuff that's cool to check out in our night sky. Tomorrow, a bit of fog to start off tomorrow morning again, but by 9 o'clock or so it lifts, and it's looking like a great day. A lot of sunshine, low humidity, just another sterling day on tap for us. It's been a wonderful stretch of weather. I hope you've been making the most of it. Friday, some increased cloud cover, but it looks great. Another nice day. Unfortunately, fall begins this weekend. Unfortunately, it's going to coincide with our next chance for some rain showers. So here's what's doing. We've got kind of the developing coastal low off of the Georgia coastline, and it may even have some tropical characteristics with it, believe it or not. National Hurricane Center saying, okay, there's about a 40% chance this thing becomes some kind of tropical disturbance over the next couple of days. So watching for that, but that's kind of a side story, really, as the bigger story will be that it's going to bring us some clouds, some breeze, and perhaps some rain showers this weekend. So it starts really developing about this time tomorrow. So I think at that point we'll have a little bit of a better handle on how this whole thing's going to evolve. But as you can see from this most recent weather model, really not a lot showing up at all on Saturday, and maybe a few showers on Sunday. And there's other guidance that says it's a soaker on Saturday. So, I mean, we're still, unfortunately, you'd think we'd have a better clue because we're so close to it. Unfortunately, it's just not the way the storm's working out for you. So here's where we'll start you. The higher rain totals right now look to be out through the Poconos. Now, this doesn't look like inches of rain. This looks like an inch or less. So just more wet towards the Poconos, less rain as you pull back to the north and to the west. So I don't think do I have quite enough time? Yeah, we'll show it. Unsettled weather is likely this weekend. The most likely thing to happen will be that it's breezy and showery. However, still on the table, some significant rain. Think like an inch or two. Still a possibility out there, but you know, right now we're thinking more just in the line of showers at this point. That's a look at the 7-day. Get beyond the weekend and things look more tame as we go into next week. So new season almost upon us, Scott, and we've got sunshine to round out astronomical summer this week.
All right, John, sounds good. Thanks very much.